Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the BLUEAIR 311 IMAX, a powerful air purifier designed for medium rooms, bedrooms, kitchens, and more, perfect for those who suffer from allergies, own pets, or want to protect themselves from viruses, dust, mold, and smoke. Let me break down the specs. The BLUEAIR 311 IMAX boasts a coverage area of 1,858 square feet in 1 hour, making it ideal for larger spaces. It features a HEPASilent filtration system, which combines mechanical and electrostatic filtration to capture 99.97% of particles as small as 0.1 microns. The air purifier has a CADR of 400 cubic feet per minute, and it operates at a low noise level of 23 decibels on its lowest setting, making it perfect for bedrooms. The device has a 2.2-pound activated carbon filter and a 1.9-pound particle filter, and it's powered by a 40-watt motor. The BLUEAIR 311 IMAX also features Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing you to control it remotely through the BLUEAIR app, and it's compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. The device measures 13 inches in height, 13 inches in width, and 13 inches in depth, and it weighs 20 pounds. It's also ENERGY STAR certified, which means it's energy efficient and can help you save on your utility bills. The BLUEAIR 311 IMAX also comes with some unique features that set it apart from other air purifiers on the market. For example, it has a built-in sensor that monitors the air quality in your room and adjusts the fan speed accordingly. The device also has a night mode that dims the lights and reduces the fan speed to minimize noise and distractions. In the box, you'll find the air purifier, a user manual, and a warranty card. The BLUEAIR app allows you to monitor the air quality in your room, adjust the fan speed, and schedule cleanings. The app also provides detailed information about the air quality, including the levels of PM2.5, PM10, and other pollutants. The BLUEAIR 311 IMAX is also compatible with other smart devices, making it easy to integrate into your existing smart home system. In real-world use, the BLUEAIR 311 IMAX has performed exceptionally well. The device is easy to set up and use, and it's been able to effectively remove allergens, dust, and other pollutants from the air. The HEPASilent filtration system has been able to capture even the smallest particles, leaving the air feeling clean and fresh. The device is also very quiet, even on its highest setting, making it perfect for use in bedrooms or living rooms. The Wi-Fi connectivity and BLUEAIR app have also been very useful, allowing us to monitor the air quality and adjust the fan speed remotely. Real-world reviews praise the BLUEAIR 311 IMAX for its ability to effectively remove allergens and other pollutants from the air, its quiet operation, and its ease of use. However, some reviewers have noted that the device can be a bit expensive and that the filters can be pricey to replace. Additionally, some users have reported that the device can produce a slight odor when it's first turned on, although this odor typically dissipates quickly. If you're looking for a powerful and effective air purifier for your home, the BLUEAIR 311 IMAX is definitely worth considering. It's perfect for anyone who suffers from allergies, owns pets, or wants to protect themselves from viruses, dust, mold, and smoke. Link in description. As an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases. Thanks for watching.